Good evening, this is Eric Olson with ITT 210. Excuse me. Today I'm demonstrating my calculator program that basically illustrates how high-level and low-level languages can work together effectively. So I'm going to start by going over my C code. And at the top here, you'll notice that I have our external function declarations. And these are basically telling the C compiler that they are implemented in our assembly file. The extern tells the functions that the assembly is using a C calling convention on 64-bit registers. So this is pretty cool. Down here we have our actual calculator interface in the terminal where it has you select an operand right here, and then we're going to enter two numbers, and then based off of the operand that we selected, we have our switch case if else statements down here to do our add, subtract, multiplication, and division, and we have our input validation. So with that being said, we're going to move on to our assembly implementation that we've written, our 4 core arithmetic functions. So we have our addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It's cool because let me just demonstrate this program and show you how it works. So we'll go ahead and run. So we'll go ahead and do addition. First number 25, and then we'll drop in 17 should equal 42. Excellent. So that looks good. Go ahead and open up a new program, bring it over here. So you'll notice what's really cool about this is this program, it bridges C and assembly together. So C is our actual interface, and it has our mathematical the C code handles our input and output, while the assembly is actually doing the mathematical computations. So now I'll demonstrate the input validation that we spoke of. Let's do division. We'll enter 10 and then divide by 0. Should be invalid, so cannot divide by 0. Error. Excellent. So everything seems to be working. That is my program. Thanks for watching. Once again, this is Eric Olson with ITT 210. Have a wonderful day.